Reu Muthee Kiengei and his wife Mama Asen, it's officially confirmed that they are expecting their second baby. Mama Asen is pregnant. Na ndeto ici irekitie kubuka thutha wa Muthee Kiengei gukorwo akeigira nenda-ini ciake cia ukinyanĩria and shared some very lovely photos ciake na mutumia wake me kuria kanitha-ini when Muthee Kiengei was being trained. Na hari mbica-ini iria akorwo akirekereria cia muthenya wa ira igongona-ini rirari igemu muno riake akiamurwo, niho mbica ici cia Mama Asen looking this lovely and cute pregnant ciakorwo ikiumbuka na gukorwo igitrend muno on social media. Mafans na arumiriri a Muthee Kiengei makenete muno ni kuona it is a double blessing for him and his family. Ni ahingurite kanitha wake na arakorwo akiamurwo, na also they are expecting their second child. Na mbica nicio ici haha Mama Asen, as you can see her baby bump is showing, na ni undu wa kenerero muno ni mafans. Initially cirari confirmed, cirari o ndeto unconfirmed, no riu finally we can see ni tureyonera na maitho maitu her baby bump is showing. Na ni undu wa kenerero muno ni mafans mai congratulate Muthee Kiengei on this double blessings, gukorwo akiordainwo and also having his own church and also expecting their second baby. ZP Jeremy akiuga, I see more blessings in her, congratulations, double blessings it will be. Onake Kellen Joanne, congratulations Mama Asen. Pastor Ben, may God bless you. Victoria Ndayu onake akiuga, congratulations yenye sitasema. Onake Jolilyn Mwangi akiuga ati we Mrs Ben usirudie high heels kwa wakati huu. Nake Lucy Waithaka akiuga, congratulations Pastor Ben. Mama Asen Jocelyn Garu, congratulations and more blessings. Amazing for also being a supportive wife to your husband. Onake Mary Wahito, for us confirming about her pregnancy, we have seen it's true and we can comfortably say congratulations for double blessings Pastor Ben. Onake Shege Mukami akauga, safe pregnancy journey delivery to Mama Kanisa. Wow. Onaginyanyago the Rose, congratulations are in order, blessings ni double. Na Shiro Waweruke akiuria gender reveal ni when. Na a big congratulations to Muthee Kiengei and his wife on this blessing, double blessing. Otogwa aromeri ake marakiuga on Muthee Kiengei being ordained and also to them expecting their second baby. All the best to them. Na safe pregnancy journey kuri Mama Asen. Na we wish them all the best. Na ndugakiriganirwo subscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.